Hi, today we're going to learn how to open an existing project on Zeyka.ai. It's really simple. I press the Open Project button in the center of my screen. I select .zeyka file I want to open on Zeyka. As soon as I select it, Zeyka gives me feedback that it's loading my project. If you look closely, it says, loading with current prices. Every time you open an existing project on Zeyka, it quickly runs a background check to make sure if the prices of all the materials and products in your project have been updated by their respective brands or not. Isn't that crazy? It's literally as per real-time market conditions. Anyway, once it's run a background check, it opens my project on the screen. Depending on how many materials and products you've added to your design project, loading times may vary from a few seconds to a couple of minutes.